It's all that matters, all I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day. I've loaned on my possessions when all that I can claim. I ain't got a single penny to my name. My neighbor says he's bothered by what I cannot see. He says that I can launder falls what clothes should be. But at the end of the day, the end of the day, it's all that matters, all I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day.
For heaven's sakes. Come on.
At the end of the day, at the end of the day, yeah, it's all that matters, all I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you gotta feel good at the end of the day. It's all that matters, all I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day.
Hello, everyone. I am trying to get ready for a huge day tomorrow on the homestead. I've just put together this shelf that I ordered that I'm going to use for my seedlings. I hope it's going to work out, and we'll see, because I have this huge order of plants coming tomorrow. My ground is not ready to plant anything, so they're going to have to live in the garage where it is warmer than outside, not freezing, but not warm either. So I'm going to set up the lights on here, and I'm going to be transplanting some plants and putting those on here, and then I'm going to put on, well, you'll see tomorrow what I'm going to do. But today I did some thinning of my seedlings. Take a look. a lot of the seeds that I started were given to me and they weren't 2020 seeds. So I have pretty good germination with most things and then bad germination with some other things. So I'll probably have to start over with some fresh seeds in some categories. But the daikon radish was the first to pop up. They are looking amazing. I thinned those out. I only have 6. So I need to start more, obviously. And I have ordered a huge supply of little 4-inch grow pots. You'll be seeing those tomorrow. In addition, tomorrow I have Ken coming to do the next phase of the water projects, which got put on hold because of the 8 days of snow. And then guess who was here today? Tommy, my fireplace refacer, bricklayer, and we talked about another great project for him because I love having that guy around. He told a wonderful story today, and I said, you have to tell that again on camera. I don't want to spoil it. So, in addition, I have an amazing guest tomorrow who is coming. I am having him consult on my garden, and that is Barefoot Farmer. Yes, I haven't seen Barefoot Farmer since last October when he took me around his area looking at a couple of properties to possibly buy. So he's going to come down hopefully tomorrow and tell me what I need to do to achieve my goals in the existing growing area. Okay, so without this little wrench, I'm not sure what they call this kind of wrench. Without that, this thing would be really unlevel because I tightened it down. I could not have gotten those casters loosened without this little thing, which comes with this. But this shelf came a little bent, a little scratched, and you know, unless you just get it just right, it's not level, it's wobbly. And of course, if you're not on casters, you can adjust those screw feet so you can make it so that it's not wobbly. Whether or not the shelves are level, I don't know. I don't even understand why it's not level, but what I plan to do is to hang I have 3 24-inch lights. And I'm either going to do one here and one here, or also one on the lower. And that's where I'm going to be having my portable garden. And what I really need is a little grow greenhouse thing, just to keep the moisture in, bugs out, and give the plants a better start. But I didn't think of that until just now. So anyway, you can be doing this stuff for like 8 years and still there is so much to learn. And I learned so much from my subscribers who have been through the same thing. You hear that woodpecker? I don't know if they're pecking for little bugs in the tree or if they're making a nest. It just seems like an awful lot of work to go through to pound out a hole in wood to make an enclosure big enough for them to get into. That just seems like a night and day job for months. But nature's amazing. So lots coming up tomorrow. And if you are a late bloomer like me, I hope you'll subscribe and share with your friends. And I look forward to seeing everyone in the next video.
You gotta feel good at the end of the day. It's all that matters. Oh, I pray just to feel